Welcome back to another episode of Coach K's Math Corner. Today the video is on proportions, which are equality of two ratios or two rates. The objective today, I'll be able to determine proportions by writing and solving one-step equations. I will know I can do this when I answer two questions correctly on an exit ticket. Remember, if you have any questions or don't understand, please identify the piece you don't understand and ask for help. You should have these in front of you. These are your notes that you will be, or the piece of paper that you'll have to work your examples out as I demonstrate them on the video. You should be also writing the same thing down as I write. Our first example is example 1, and we will do either what we call a cross products method or the Hart method as shown below. So in the Hart method, what it is I'm just going to start here and I'm just going to draw like this, and that means I'm going to multiply 5 and x. So we're going to write 5 times x equals, and then I'm going to start here at the 25. I'm going to go this way, and I'm going to make it look similar to a heart. So 25 times 2 is 50. Now we know how to solve that using one-step equations because we've done that before. So this should just be review. Now remember, we're going to draw a line down, we're going to divide both sides by 5, and the reason I'm dividing both sides by 5 is because 5x is a multiplication process. So if I divide 5 by 5 on this side, I have to divide 50 by 5, and that means x will equal 10. Ran out of room at the bottom, apologize for that. So now if we want to go through and we want to say that we need to check this process, then what we're going to do is we're going to rewrite the proportion 2/5, the ratio or the rate 2/5 equals, and now x is 10, so we're going to put 10 over 25. That's a substitution rule. And to check that, we're just going to multiply 2 times 25 and 5 times 10. And if both answers are 50, then x is the correct solution, and 2/5 and 10/25 are equal rates or ratios. So let's see, 2 times 25 is 50, 5 times 10 is 50. Sure enough, 10 is the correct solution, and 2/5 is equivalent to 10/25. Example 2. Same thing as we did the last one. Start right here. I'm going to start at 3. 3 times 8 is 24 equals 12y. Now I know you probably could do this mentally in your head and figure out what the variable is or the letter is, but really we need to learn how to solve proportions because these are the simplest of proportions. Later on you'll have more challenging proportions, so you might as well learn how to do the process the correct way. So now we've got, again, an equation, and so we want to solve it by dividing both sides by 12, because that's where we want to start with a number that's by the variable or connected to the letter. And so we want to divide the other side by 12 as well. And so we would say 12 divided by 12 is y, and 24 divided by 12 is 2. So 2 equals y. Let's see if that's the right solution. Again, we want to put 2 where y is. So we're going to put 2 over 3, the ratio of 2 to 3, equals the ratio of 8 to 12. Well, let's see. Does 3 times 8 equal 2 times 12? Well, 3 times 8 is 24. 2 times 12 is 24. Sure enough. 24 equals 24, so 2 is the correct solution for the letter y, or the variable y. Example number 3, and I'll try to speed up just a bit because I'm taking a lot of time here in my video, but I want to make sure you all understand. Sorry about that. All right, here we go. Same thing again. We'll start here with 6 and 14. So 6 times 14 is, if I did 6 times 14, it would be 84, I believe. Let's see, 4 to 84, okay. So 84 equals, and then we want to take 4 and W. There we go. 4W. So 84 equals 4W. That's our equation. In order to solve for it, since this is 4 times W, we want to do the inverse, which is divide. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So we have W equals, and we have to divide this side by 4, so 84 divided by 4, let's see, that would be, 4 goes in 8 twice, 4 times 2 is 8, drop the 4, 4 divided by 4 is 1. Okay, that's 0. So we are saying 21 equals W. Let's see if that's right. Does 4, the ratio of 4 to 6, equal the ratio of 14 to 21? Well, let's do the cross product again. 6 times 14 is 84, and 4 times 21 is 84. Sure enough, checks. So the solution for W is 21. The ratio of 4 to 6 is equivalent to the ratio of 14 to 21. All right, our last example. Here we go. Same method again. 15m equals 75 times 8. Why did I pick such a big number? I don't know. 75 times 8. Let's see. Sorry, kids. Might have picked too big of a number here, but we'll keep working on it. 75 times 8 is 56, and 4 is 600. Sorry. Come on. Where you at? There you go, 600. Okay, so remember, to undo this, we're going to do the inverse. So we're going to divide both sides by 15. All right. And m equals, let's see, 600 divided by 15. Well, if I took out my calculator, I could figure it out. But I know that the answer is 40. So m is 40. Let's make sure we double check it. So we want to say the ratio of 8 to 15 is equivalent to the ratio of 40 to 75. Well, let's see. We just did 75 times 8 over here, and we know that's 600. Is 15 times 40 600? 5 times 4 is 20. Carry the 2. 4 times 1 plus 2 is 6. Yes, it is. So both of these are 600. Therefore, our solution of m equals 40 will make the ratio or the rate 8 to 15 equivalent to the ratio or rate 40 to 75. They're both equal. Okay, so at the bottom of your note-taking or the examples that you just did, there's an independent practice part there. Would you do these two problems? When you're done, make sure you show me, and again, make sure that you show your work. Show all of your work. Sorry about that, kids. Keep forgetting to use my pen. show all of your work, and then show me. If you don't show your work, you won't get me to okay it. So make sure you do it. You know how I am. I expect you to do it. If you don't, you got to redo it. Okay, and here's sorry about that, kids. Here is the assignment that you'll be doing. Make sure that you rate yourself before and after you complete the assignment. If you need more time, or if you need more time to work with this, you go to IXL, Section R, and look for the part on proportions. Again, you must pick 6. You pick 6. You pick 6, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, you do, right here. You pick 6. I don't care which 6 out of those 12. Make sure you show your work. If you need to, you can turn it over in the back and show your work on the back, but you must show your work. Okay, and then there's an exit ticket that goes along with this. Again, make sure that you show your work. Show all of the work. Do you hear me? Every single step. Show me your work. I know. Get tired of hearing that. Show your work. All right? Good luck. If you need me to help you with anything, let me know. Thank you. See you later.